Hello everyone, this is my review of the Creatine Monohydrate Gummies by Thinbi. They're an easy and enjoyable way to support your fitness goals. Each serving delivers 6,100 milligrams of creatine, along with L-Taurine and vitamin B12, which work together to enhance muscle strength, energy, and workout performance. These gummies are a tasty alternative to traditional powdered or capsule supplements. The flavor is delicious, no chalky or unpleasant aftertaste, and the gummies are easy to chew and digest. I've noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and endurance during workouts since incorporating them into my routine. The addition of vitamin B12 is a great bonus, helping with energy production and overall recovery. These gummies are perfect for both men and women and are super convenient for on-the-go use. No need to mix powders or carry shakers, just pop a couple before your workout. You're good to go. I highly recommend, and I hope this review helps.